If you've already done your spring planting, you could be in trouble. We've seen people all across the metro area covering what they can to protect their landscaping. Marissa Armas joins us from Denver tonight. Marissa, people are getting creative trying to protect their plants.
Karen, they are. You can see this resident actually used several buckets to cover many of her plants. We also spoke to another neighbor who's using old sheets to do that. Now, if you do have plants and planters like this, you're going to want to make sure you take those inside before those freezing temps come in.
The mound is cucumbers, onions. I've got zucchini in that bucket, carrots in this one.
If you're anything like Lisa Santry, you've likely already started your gardening.
I'm a little bummed. I'm a little worried because there's a lot of seedlings in there too. But it's Colorado. I was ready.
Using buckets, boxes, glass cloches, and more, Colorado residents are doing everything they can to shield their plants from the freezing temperatures on the way.
I just took a bunch of cloches. This is kind of like the classic, French approach to keeping your plants from freezing.
Country Fair Garden Center not only had to cover all their plants with frost cloth, but they sold out of protective covers on Thursday.
It was madness. Everybody just coming, buying everything that we had. Right now, we're just hunkering down.
The assistant manager at Country Fair says a few degrees can make the difference between your plants freezing or frosting.
The one thing nice is it's a wet cold. The moisture will actually help protect them to a degree.
A cold snap in May may be typical, but residents are hoping Mother Nature lets up.
Yes, please, Lord, please. I hope my plants make it. I don't think they can last too much longer.
Another big concern for residents are trees. Why? Because a lot of that snow is going to weigh down some of those branches. So if you get a moment tomorrow, step out and shake those off. If you're short like me or just those branches are a little too high, get in there, use a broom or a shovel to do that. And of course, make sure that you're safe. In Denver, Marissa, Armas covering Colorado First.
Great tips, Marissa. Thank you.